My name is Sean Pearson, and I'm about to show you how to do an ollie. The first thing you want to do, you want to put the board down. You want to place your foot by the boat, by the nose. Then you want to place your back foot on the tail. Second thing you want to do, you learn how to squat. Squat like this, and then go like this. Once you get the feel of how to do that, then you'll learn how to go like this. When you bend your knees, you want to pop. You want to go like this. So bend your knees and then pop. Learn how to do that first before you actually do it. Third thing you want to know how to do is you want to bend, pop, and then do the motion of the ollie. So you want to slide your foot up the nose. Slide your foot up the nose when you ollie. So it looks like this. So you want to squat. You want to squat and then pop and then slide your foot up. So you want to do it like that. What you do is, to learn how to ollie, you want to pop, slide your foot, and then it'll go up. Some of the things beginners be doing, they be putting their foot way up here by the boats, like over the boats, and then try to slide their foot up. You don't supposed to do that. You're supposed to put your foot close enough, like 2 fingers right there by the boats. Where my hands is placed at, you want to put your front foot right here, like 2 inches away from the boats. And you want to put your back foot on the tail, in the middle. Not exactly on the tail, but like top of your toes, put them in the middle on the tail. Then you want to pop and then slide your foot up. And then when you slide your front foot up, you want to bring your back foot up too as well, but keep it on the tail as you releasing the board in the air. So how you do that is, you want to step on the board. You want to step on the board and you want to slide your foot up, but bring the back foot up too as well as you popping the board up. So it goes like this. It goes like that, and then most beginners of what they be doing, they be putting their foot way up here. You don't supposed to put your foot way up there, because if you do that, you won't be able to pop. But you can still pop, but it'll be uncomfortable for you to actually like release the board in the air. So don't have it way up here by the nose, or it'll end up doing like that. It'll end up doing something like that. So you want to put your front foot in the middle, not in the middle, but like right here of the board, and you want to place your back foot like on the tail, but like just the hair on the tail, and then you want to pop like that. So as you're doing that, you want to squat, you want to pop, and then release your kicking foot up the nose like this. So you want to squat, pop, and slide your foot up. After you got all that down, you want to keep your shoulders straight. Keep them straight in the direction you doing an ollie in. Because I see some beginners don't keep their shoulders straight. They have their shoulders turned in a different direction of what they're going. So keep your shoulders going this way. Have them like this. Have them going to the direction that you riding to. So when you ollie, you want to have your shoulders straight. You want to have them even out. Don't have them like this. Don't have them like this. Because if you have them like this, your weight will go down and the board won't be leveled out. So if your shoulders is level out, how mine is, and you want to level out your shoulders and you want to go like this. So when you do that, when you level out your shoulders, you want to keep them straight. You want to have them going to the direction that you're going when you're doing the ollie. So when you're doing that, when you're keeping your shoulders straight, have them going to the direction that you're going to. So if you have your shoulders going like this, it'll go like that. The board go in a direction that your shoulders are going to. So if your shoulders is going down, the board is going to go down. So if you have your shoulders balanced out, the board will be even out. So you gotta have your shoulders even out with the board. So don't have your shoulders leaning or going backwards. Because if your shoulders going a different direction, that's where the weight is gonna go to. If you even out your shoulders with the board, you won't have no problem. And the most common mistake that beginners be making, they be asking, why is they boards turning when they ollie? The big reason why is because you're probably throwing your shoulder back or forward. So if you're throwing your shoulder back, that means your board is gonna go with that motion. So don't throw your shoulders back. So keep them straight when you ollie. So when you keep them straight, the board is doing that. So if you keep the board straight, you don't throw your shoulders back. The board will go with the motion that your shoulders are going to. So you gotta go like that. So if you're throwing your shoulders forward, the board will go with that motion. So this is how that looks. So if you're throwing your shoulders forward, the board is gonna go forward. If you're throwing your shoulders backwards, the board is gonna go backwards. It's gonna turn. So you gotta keep your shoulders going this way when you ollie. Keep your shoulders level and not throwing them back or forward. The board will stay straight in the air and it won't turn. So that's how you do an ollie.